Experiencing a black screen or no signal from your Xumo Stream box? Here's how to fix it. First, ensure your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the Xumo box and your TV. Try a different HDMI port on your TV, as some ports may function better than others. Faulty HDMI cables are a common culprit, accounting for 70% of connection problems, according to CNET experts. Swap the cable with a known working one to rule this out. Next, confirm that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input source. TVs cycle through inputs like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc., so manually switch until you see the Xumo interface. If these steps don't work, power cycle both the Xumo box and your TV by unplugging them for 30 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. If basic troubleshooting fails, the issue might involve HDMI CEC, or Consumer Electronics Control. CEC allows devices to communicate over HDMI, letting the Xumo remote control your TV's power, volume, and source selection. CEC is labeled differently by each TV manufacturer. On LG TVs, it's called SimpLink. Navigate to Settings, then Connection, then Device Connection Settings. Look for SimpLink HDMI CEC and toggle it to the On position. On Sony TVs, CC is known as Bravia Sync. Go to Settings, then External Inputs, then Bravia Sync Settings. Enable the Bravia Sync control option. Also, keep your Xumo Streambox firmware up to date. Recent updates, like version 4.2.1 released in July 2025, include enhanced HDMI handshake protocols that resolve connectivity problems. Check for updates in the Xumo app or through Settings, System, Software Update. If all else fails, a factory reset can restore functionality by clearing corrupted data. Navigate to Settings, System, Factory Reset. Be aware that this will erase all personal settings, so back up any important data first.